find out this is. Or rail grinder.
No, it's not. It's a steamboat. Isabel, you want to see a steamboat train? Look, it's a steamboat train. You see that?
It's
just got a steamboat engine there on the
right
side.
there.
See, there's the pedals on the side.
This is the first time I've ever seen that machine.
That fits your needs and lifestyle. You work hard to take care of those you love, but your health is crucial to maintain an ongoing
It cleans the rocks.
schedule. However, life
It
is
does, I
so
can see
busy
that.
and there's
that
never
what it
enough
does?
time for you. Licking Memorial Women's Health offers multiple convenient locations throughout Licking County, just minutes from your home. Our caring and compassionate physicians focus on you. We provide a wide range of women's health services, including office-based and hospital care. Our specialty, obstetrics and gynecology, focuses on the unique health needs of women. Licking Memorial Women's Health specializes in health prevention, diagnosis, and treatment at every stage of your life. Because at Licking Memorial Health Systems, your health is our mission.
Not drive around the gate yet.
Did you know that Atlas Butler is open right now? That's right. We schedule our service
It's almost through.
technicians to cover shifts day and night, 7 days a week. So whether your system stops working at 10 a.m. on a Sunday or 10 p.m. on a Tuesday, we're ready. And you never pay overtime charges. Call today, get it fixed today. That's our pledge to you.
What do you think of that steamboat train?
Looks a little like a
Doesn't it look like a
steamboat.
steamboat?
A little bit, because it's got a wheel.
It's got a pedal wheel on the side.
Of course it does.
Isabella? Can I say something?
I think
Oh, wow.
let's see, too.
And while you're there, get huge savings on our entire
There you go.